Welcome to session number 34 of the Word Power Made Easy. We are going to continue about the 10 words of the related to the friends. How we are going to flatter the friends. So in this session, this is the third chapter of this friends related vocab. Now the first one is coming is infatigable. Now what is the meaning of fatigue? Fatigue means something boring, and infatigable means somebody who never bore. So there is a prefix in. In makes the connotation negative, and suffix is able, means able to. So indefatigable, indefatigable means unable to be fatigued, means a person who never gets boredom. He is constantly doing the work with the same thrill, with the same enthusiasm. Then you can say that person is indefatigable. How simple can one be? Now, ingenious, ingenious, INGENUOUS. So remember, U is coming. When ingenious words are coming, the synonyms of ingenious means a knave, gullible, and credulous. And INGENUOUS, INGINUOUS, ingenious means fraud, open, and artless. Now, there is a different meaning of the word. When U is coming, INGENUOUS, it means frank, open, and artless. And INGEI is coming. INGENIOUS means somebody who is shrewd, clever, and inventive. Now, ingenious has three synonyms. One is knave, another one is credulous, and third one is gullible. Now, the meaning of knave means they are not learned the ways of the world. So they are ignorant and inexpensive. So somebody is ignorant and then he behaves out of his ignorance. You can say he is a knave. So noun of the knave is knavitate. Similarly, the second synonyms of the ingenious is credulous. It is willingness to believe almost anything. So somebody who is believing in everything, whatever you told, he accepts. Then you can say that person is credulous, or noun is credulity. Gullible means easily tricked, easily fooled, easily imposed on. So that person is known as gullible. These four synonyms, ingenious, knaves, credulous, gullible, are fairly close to each other. They contain areas of distinctions that is worth remembering. For example, when you are going to use ingenious, when you want to say somebody who is frank and not given to any concealment, he is not hiding anything, he is very frank. Knave, knave person is inexperienced, unsophisticated, and trustworthy, because he is actually acting out of his ignorance, unsophistication, and inexperience. Credulous is willing to believe, not suspicious or skeptical. Whatever you say, they accept it on the face value. And gullible means easily tricked. Anybody who can, trick someone and he is easily trickable, then you can say he is gullible. Belief and disbeliefs. Credulous comes from the Latin words credo. Credo means to believe. And credit, if people believe in your honesty, they will extend credit to you. OUS is full of. Now, OUS is an adjective suffix and it means something full of. So, credulous means full of believingness. So, credulous listener means those who fully believe what they hear. Credible story, one that can be believed. Incredulous attitude, an attitude of skepticism and not belief. Incredible characters, persons who are so unique that you can secretly believe they exist. Now, credulous, if you add ity, then it is credulity. incredulous. If you add ity, incredulity. Credible. If you add ity, credibility. Incredible. If you add ity, then incredibility. Now here use the credulous, credible or corresponding negative or noun forms in the following sentences. She listened incredulously to her husband's confessions of his frequent infidelity, for she had always considered him a paragon of moral uprightness. He told his audience an incredible and fantastic story to his narrow escape. He believe you, he is very credulous. Make your character more credible. We listen dumbstruck, full of incredibility, to the shocking detail of the corruption and vice. He has most incredible good luck. The incredibility of it, how can such things happen? Naive people accept with complete credulity when whatever anyone tells them. Do you believe to the total credible? I am not objecting to the total incredibility of your story, incredibility, but only to your thinking that I am credulous enough to believe it. Now, we know the credo means personal feeling, code of ethics, principles by which people guide their actions. And credence means a document that shows your personal rights. Hands and tail, ingenious, frank, open and artless. Disingenuous means not frank, crafty, cunning, dishonest, artful, insincere and untrustworthy. And noun means disingenuousness. Now here is a root word, prefix and suffix. Meaning is already been given and you have to find out the English word. In, when you add in as a prefix, then the meaning will be negative. So indefatigable means somebody who is not going to bore. Ness, when you add ness as a suffix, then it becomes a noun. So disingenuousness. Credo means to believe. So credulous. And when you add ous, then it becomes an adjective suffix. So credulous. When you add ibl, can be and able to, so credible. Ity, when you add ity as a suffix, then it becomes a noun. So credulity. When you add ence as a suffix, then it becomes a noun. So credence. So ence. When you add dis as a prefix, then it becomes negative. So disingenuousness. Okay, next. Here is a matching. Indefatigable. Now we know indefatigable means somebody who never tire. So the correct answer of this is here F. Ingenuousness. Ingenuousness means somebody who is frankly, very frank. So it is frankness. Disingenuousness, somebody who is not frank. So he is cunning. Naivete means somebody who is very simple. So naivete means inexperience and unworldliness. Credibility means believability. Incredibility means skepticism, you do not believe. Credence means belief or truth. And credo means personal code of ethics. Here again there is a matching of the word. Ingenious. Now you see I is there. When I is there, it is in a negative connotation. So ingenious, when I is there, means clever, shrewd. Not frank but shrewd. Credulous means willing to believe. Third, gullible, easily tricked. Gullible means you can trick somebody very easily. Incredible is unbelievable. Creed means religious belief. Credentials. Credentials means a document which provides some rights or privilege. So, document providing privilege, identity, etc. Ingenuity. Again, I is there. So, shrewdness, cleverness. Knave. Knave means inexperience and unworldly. Next, indefatigability, a sign of physical and emotional health. Correct. Because you never get tired physically or mentally. Ingenuousness, now you see U is there. Ingenuousness, a moral quality of a young childhood. Yes. Ingenuity, again I is there, a character of inventors. Yes. Are some adolescent naive? Because naive is a person who is inexperienced and adolescents are normally inexperienced. Are intelligent people often gullible? Sometimes yes, because they are so straightforward, so they are gullible. Incredulity, the mark of agnostic. Incredulity, yes. Does incredible story invite belief? Incredible means not easily believable, so no. Do generally people live by a credo? Yes, because there are certain principles in everyone's life and that will guide them what to do and what not to do. Does our constitution guarantee certain rights to Americans irrespective of their creed? Yes. Are ingenious people, now you see I is there. Now ingenious people sometimes disingenuous. Yes. Do we generally give credence to incredible statements? No. You cannot give your consent or credence. Next, here is a description and you need to find out the relevant words. Inexperience and insophistications. When the word inexperience and insophistications are coming, it is always naive. Believing means credulous. Religious belief means creed, believable, credible. Great reservoirs of energy, indefatigable. Frankness, ingenuousness. Now, but here you is there, not I. So, frankness, ingenuousness, and you have to remember. So, INGENUOUSNESS. Crafty. Crafty means something which is opposite to it. So, you have to add D's and then whatever is written ingenuousness, that you have to write ingenuousness. Inventive. Inventive means ingenious, but here I is there, not you. I is there, you is not there. So inventive and clever, you have to write ingenious. Easily tricked. Now when the tricked word is coming, it is gullible. Skeptical, one who doesn't believe. So incredulous. Credulous means somebody who believes, and if you add in means somebody who do not believe and skeptical about it. So incredulous. Unbelievable, incredible. Credible means believable, and if you add in, then the negative connotation will be there. So incredible means unbelievable. Personal code means credo. So here we are ending the session number 34. I am going to put a PDF file in a description box. You can download the PDF file, practice on the PDF file itself to master the vocabulary. And we are going to see you again with session number 35. So thank you very much. Bye bye.